Hi, my name's Mr. Grove, Kenneth Grove, and I will be your health instructor, whether may be in my basic first aid or fitness and wellness. Um, that being said, uh, these next 2 weeks, this is how the class will be presented. You'll go into the portal, okay, into your unit plan, and of course the subject area, and you'll see a video listed, and you'll hear me talk a little bit, unfortunately, and you have to look at that mug. But that being said, there'll be a few questions after the video, just like today. There's going to be a couple questions after this about did you read the syllabus, and then some other information that I want to gather, and then you'll get credit for that. That will also count for attendance for this week, and then for next week, another assignment. So let's think about a couple things. I know this is a pain in the derriere, that it's asynchronous, meaning you can do it at any point in time. You do have to be disciplined in some regards to say, hey, I got to do my health class to get the credit, and as well as the information. So talking about information, first thing is, again, read the syllabus. Example, when we look at the basic first aid syllabus, you'll see a bunch of information listed in an outline form and what we'll go through and what we'll discuss. My key and the key ingredient coming out of this course will be that you feel confident and that you can address a situation that may occur. And it may be an emergency situation that could arise on the job, could be, at work or play. That being said, again, read the syllabus, and that's one of the questions you're going to get. Excuse me. One of the questions you're going to get at the end of this session. So if my voice is a little scratchy and I'm coughing periodically, I am battling COVID, so I'm just about at the end of it, I hope. I'm an old guy, but I feel like I'm doing okay with it, I hope. That being said, I wish you all the best, that you don't have to deal with it, and that we get through this semester. I'm anxious to get back into the classroom and back again in that MAC building, where I said back in the behind the fitness center in the MAC building, the team meeting room. So one other thing, when I talk about going into Thaddeus at Stevens, and the opportunity for you guys is immense. My wife works in the career services. Her name's Laurie Grove, and it's just impressive to see how many students come through and their job placement and the careers that they have. So I do wish you the best in that regards. This is a 1-credit course. Whether I said is if you're in basic first aid or you're in fitness and wellness, it's 1 credit. So stay focused. You'll get through it. At any point in time that you feel you're frustrated or something's not working right, or you get confused, or you're just overworked with other areas, please email me and we can address that situation. Communication is the key ingredient. We need to communicate. So let's just keep working on that. As an introductory video with this, I do have my Thaddeus apparel on. I try to address that as much as possible. And so here's your first assignment, okay? So, and it's going to be very simple. You're going to email it to me, and on the syllabus you can see where my email address is, but I also say it as it's Grove K, GROVEK @stevenscollege.edu, and that will give you access. The availability to be in contact with me. Here's your assignment, though, that it's going to be worth 5 points. Pretty simple, 5 points. All you have to do is answer the following questions. The first question, okay, is your name. Okay, do you have a nickname? An example is I went to Lock Haven University, and way back in the day, but the Doobie Brothers were a big band back at the time, and my name's obviously Ken Grove, but they had a song China Grove, so they gave me a nickname China. So if you have a nickname, okay, after your name, Joe Smith, Joey, whatever it may be. where's your hometown, what hometown, and high school. Like example for me, my hometown was Mount Joy, and I went to Donegal High School. What hobbies or interests do you have? If you like to hunt, fish, play sports, play musical instruments, whatever it may be, do you have a hobby or an interest? The next piece also is what are your future plans and or what are your goals? You have a great opportunity ahead of you with Thaddeus Stevens as a background. Getting your information, getting the skill set from Thaddeus Stevens, you're going to have a great opportunity in the future. So what would be those goals? The next question, I think that might be, so I said name, nickname, hometown. Let's see, that's 2. High school. 3, hobbies, interests. 4, your future plan and goals. And 5, what is your major? What are you majoring in? HVAC, business, whatever it may be. And the last one, okay, number 6 would be, did you read the syllabus? That's key. I just want to make sure you understand what you're going to get involved with and that you did read the syllabus. So one more time, these, I think there's 6 questions. 1, name, if you have a nickname. 2, hometown and high school. Okay, you could be an older individual, but what high school? But hopefully they still exist. 3, hobbies and interests. Okay. 4, future plans, goals. 5, what is your major? And the last 6, did you read the syllabus? Yes or no. You will email me those responses, and I'll list them again on the portal. But you'll email me those responses, and you'll get credit. So you get 6 points. Pretty easy to get 6 out of 6 to start the course. So let's think about grades. And I know people get paranoid or all caught up in the grading system. Let me explain this first. This is a 1-credit course. If you follow the instructions, and when we're in the classroom, you'll easily be able to follow suit. These next 2 weeks, there'll be questions after the video, so stay focused on that. Answer those. The next one will probably be that you can answer right on the portal. This is the only time you'll have to email me because I want to write these down and keep them on my list. So, excuse me. Where was I here? Let's go from the class and the academic feature of it. If you are struggling at any point in time, which I doubt, my expectations and hopefully yours is that everybody achieves an A. You'll have an opportunity to retake a test if need be. Some of the tests are skill tests that we'll do in the classroom. When we talk about CPR and working with the AED, that type of thing. The fitness course isn't, and wellness isn't based on how fit you are or how hard you work out. It's going to be on information that you can obtain and use to enhance yourself. So again, any questions? My office is also in the Mac building. I think I've been there for 2 years now. I guess it's still there. So please, at any point in time, contact me, grovek@stevenscollege.edu. I wish everybody the best. Just trying to see if I missed anything. The textbooks, you can see both are listed on the syllabus. I strongly recommend that you do get a textbook. We do a lot of work out of the basic first aid, and the total fitness and wellness is a great one too. That it also comes in an ebook. I wish you all the best. Good luck for this semester, and hopefully we see each other real soon, face to face in, I guess it would be the week of February 2nd. We'll be back in the classroom. Signing out, everybody, take care. Have a great day.